Hello students, in the previous video I explained about some basic terms related to programming. Now in this video I am going to explain about Python and its features. So let's go with the first line here. As you see the first line here, Python is easy, free and open source, interpreted, object oriented and the dynamically typed high level language, which is derived from many other languages like A, B, C, C++, and the modular 3. Today, Python is widely spread due to its unique features. As you see the first feature here, easy. So in comparison to other high level language, Python is easy in all respect. We can easily read it, we can easily run it, and we can easily maintain it in our program. The second feature is free and the open source. Python is free and open source means anyone can easily use it without paying. The third feature is interpreted language. So in the previous video, I explained about the conversion of source code into object code with the help of compiler, where the linker links the machine code with their library. But interpreter do not work like that. In this language, linking of library is not required. Code is done line by line, so easy to remove the errors. The next feature is object oriented. So it means that we can make reusable software components. So for every code, don't need to type code for all. It's provide the facility to access the other program components into your program. And at the last feature is dynamically typed. Python is dynamically typed because as a variable, data type is decided at the runtime.